Hey fam, what's up? This is your boy Darren with Darmac Builders. As you can see, I'm in my job site here. We finished pouring the concrete slab. What I'm showing you back here is just debris. When you have a lot and you just don't know what's buried, right? A lot of stuff here was not on top surface; it was bottom surface. I mean, I have um, built on lots that the lot itself is great from the eye's point of view, but when you start digging, you start picking up tires, fenders, refrigerators, stoves, you name it, microwaves, everything, because people use it as a dumping pile. This one here was not as severe, but we had our challenges as well. Sometimes I see old bottle cans um, uh, or cans and bottles all over the place, but it's not our final cleanup that I got going here. And I just came here today just to look at everything. Also, too, we had a backfill because we had our plumbing sewer installed and they backfilled it. So now, from my entrance standpoint, I can bring in my material. So I can bring cranes, tractors, moffets, you name it. I can bring it all in here, trusses, and I have the space for it. So you're gonna see coming weeks, this is going to start really taking off the way it should, and I'm excited about the whole process. So we just got to keep this moving and keep it going. All right, so stay tuned, keep watching. Peace.